In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement in Xero, a simple yet essential task to ensure your financial records are up to date and accurate. To start, you'll need to be logged into your Xero account on their website. Once you're comfortably logged in and on your dashboard, the process is quick and straightforward. First, direct your attention to the main menu at the top of the page. You'll see an option labeled Accounting. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you should notice another Accounting option. Click it, and it will take you to a new page dedicated to more detailed accounting tools. On this new page, you'll want to locate Bank Accounts. Click on it. This section is where all your linked and managed bank accounts appear, and it's crucial for monitoring your business's cash flow. Once you're in the Bank Accounts section, you will see a list of any bank accounts you have set up with Xero. Take your time to find the specific bank account where you'd like to import your statement. Next, look for the Manage Account option, typically located next to the bank account details. Clicking this will open a small menu offering a few useful actions you can perform with your account. Among these options, you will see the three little dots which symbolize a menu. Click on them. Now, you should see the option Import a Statement. This is what we need, so go ahead and click on it. You are now at the stage where you can select the file you want to import. What you will see is a field labeled Select File. Click on this. Your browser will prompt you to locate and choose the bank statement file from your computer. It's essential to ensure that the file you're importing is in a format compatible with Xero, usually OFX, QIF, or CSV. If your file isn't in one of these formats, you'll need to convert it before proceeding. Navigate through your files and locate the correct bank statement. Select the file, and after ensuring it's the right one, go ahead and confirm your selection. Xero will then import the file, extracting all the relevant transaction data and applying it to your chosen bank account. Keep in mind, once the import is complete, you'll want to review the transactions to make sure everything was imported correctly. Xero usually does a good job, but it's always wise to double-check for any discrepancies to maintain the accuracy of your records. By following these steps, importing bank statements into Xero becomes a seamless task, saving you precious time while keeping your financial data accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and may this process help bring ease to your accounting tasks.